Welcome back to Life in Lalaland. I am getting ready to scrub it up, dub my stove. I cannot cook. I wouldn't have called it dirty, but I like my stove freshly cleaned whenever I'm getting ready to cook. Even if that means I'm about to mess it back up. We are about to make a one-pot chili recipe. I saw Life with Anthony. Anthony is a van dweller who is also a YouTube content creator who I watch every day. Well, almost. And I was inspired when he made the chili. All I needed to do was go to the grocery store and grab the ingredients. Let's go. First, we're going to put on our rice. We're going to make brown rice. It comes with its own measuring cup. There is an insert. It comes out for cooking, cleaning. And I'm going to add 5 of these to this. I'm going to, or if you're going to make this dish too, you're going to want 1 large onion. And just make the whole thing. No, it doesn't have to be a red onion. Okay, it could be white. It could be yellow. It could be a Vidalia, which is a sweet onion. But I chose red. I'm going to turn the heat on. I have my Dutch oven. It was originally my mom's Dutch oven. My sister and I bought it for her for Christmas. I knew it was something she wanted because my mom loved to cook and she was good at it. Let's get down to the spices, okay? Well, no, let me do the ingredients first. So you're going to want your onion. You're going to want your ground beef. I'm going to put some bell pepper in mine. I have red, yellow, and orange. So I'm going to use all 3. For spices, you're going to want cumin, oregano, but I don't have oregano. I have my Italian mix, so I'm just going to use that. You're also going to want some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. Back to the ingredients, you're also going to want some tomatoes, like stewed tomatoes, diced tomato. I think I have fire roasted diced tomato. You can make your chili without beans, but I'm going to use kidney, pinto, and black beans. Yep, we like variety over here. For my fat, I'm going to use some olive oil, extra virgin. Just gonna add your onions in. Remember I was telling you about the peppers? They only came with these colors. So that's what we're going to put in. This is 85/15, so it doesn't have a lot of fat. Alright, time to put in our spices. Let's do that. We're going to go in with our beans. And then probably use about half from each can. I don't have any beef stock or beef broth, so I'm going to use some bone broth. And about 1.5 cups. Bone broth is fantastic for you. If you can, make some at home. Go. Reduce my heat to let it simmer. And now clean up. I forgot my black pepper, didn't you? Nope. I put it in off screen. Oh my goodness. This was so good. So good.